Collaborative research has never been easier. With Liner, you can work seamlessly with peers and boost efficiency. Liner's shared folder lets you invite teammates and compile insights together, making group research effortless. In our last video, we covered how to use Liner's web highlighter and MySpace. Now, let's explore the shared folder feature. Simply click the Share button and add your teammates' emails. Once invited, they'll be able to view your questions and highlights in the shared folder. They can also contribute their own insights from different websites, keeping all research materials organized and accessible. Liner's shared folder is perfect for students working on group research projects. Take Tim, for example. He's working on a team research project and needs an efficient way to collaborate. So he creates a shared folder and invites his teammates, so they can all research and add insights in real time. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.